Hello, this is Subash. Right now you can see in my hand this is Galaxy Earbud, which name is Galaxy Bud Pro 3. It's a very useful and very good product in a cheapest price. If I told the price of this product is only 800, then you will not believe about this product. In 800, you will get a full noise cancellation. When you speak, the voice will automatic low. This type of earbud is a very useful and good bass quality sound. It's a very effective product in a cheapest price. So today I'm gonna give review of this product in a honest way and according to I use that product. So in this video I'm gonna give in a original review of this product, to be honest. So I'm gonna give review of this product. So firstly, I am so what type of things inside this box. So firstly you will get you need to be while opening you need to be careful about that product. So inside box you will get a one bill, so that is a receipt, not that much necessary. And you get this type of data cable which is used for the charging. And then after the main device, that's earbud, you will get this earbud in this box. So there is dual mics in this earbuds, which is we can use for the sound and music. Everyone know about that one, so I don't need to speak about that too much about this thing. And while talking about the feature of this product, so amazing. The first number is that it's about AI powered noise cancellation. In this products, we get AI noise cancellation. While listening music, there any type of noise, it should automatically it's auto cancel. So that's a very useful product. And then after in second we get automatic lower music. When we speaking or when we speak some with someone, then music will automatic decrease. It means the sound will be reduced, and so we can listen properly and we can communicate properly. And there is triple mics for the calling. For the calling, there's triple mic for the calling, and which is very it's very good and it's very quality sounds while talking or while listening the music or any type of things. And talking about it bass, it's very good and it's very quality bass while listening the music, the bass and the way of the music sounds quality. It's a very useful and talking about the look of and the design of this product is so pretty good, like you can see. And there is a it's a coffee color. In when you order you can get in different color, but this is coffee color. And you can see inside the earbuds, that bud says two color, which one is like in a silver color and one is in coffee color. So its design is also so pretty good, and its style and its design are very good. And then after while inserting in your ear, it's a very comfortable in comfortably we can wear in your ear. And it looks too pretty while in your ear, and its sounds are good and everything is so pretty nice. And talking about its price, the actual price of this product is Nepali's 2000. But now in the rise there is offer. You will get only in 800 for 83. In 883 you will get this product just in near about 900. So you can take the profit of that offer. And I will also put the link of this device in my description box from where you can get the link and you can order from the Daraz. So it's very good and very effective earbud. So hope you understand. And I think when you use this product, when you get the experience, it's also good, awesome. So main thing is that when while using like this device in your ear, then there's two things. Like when you touch this, then sound will be paused for a like it's the sound will be paused. It's when you again touch this one, then it's autoplay. So there's a sensor, so you can use for the like when you is speaking with someone or when some urgent calling anything, then you can just press here, then it will be automatically pause, and it's when you again press on here, then automatically uh, play. So these are the future of this product. Using this product, sir, like in my expression, you are seeing my expression, you will also feel the same expression after using this product. So this is good product and effective product. You can order. It's a cheap, right? It's good product. Thank you for watching our video.